Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about factoring trinomials when a is greater than 1.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, 6n squared plus 5n minus 6, and we need to factor this completely. My 6n squared lets me know I have two options that this thing can look like. It can either be some 6n times 1n, which gives us that 6n squared, or it can be in the form of some 2n times a 3n, which also gives us 6n squared. So I keep that in mind as I'm moving forward. Our c value is a negative 6. So what does that mean? We need to find two numbers that multiply to be negative 6. Well, since we have a positive 5n here, we're going to keep that in mind, but one of them is going to be negative, to be multiplied to be negative 6. So negative 1 times 6, or 1 times a negative 6, negative 2 times a 3, or 2 times a negative 3. And we also can flip those orders when we put them in here. So now I have to ask myself a question. What two numbers multiply to be, right? We take 2n times one of these numbers, or 6n times one of these numbers, plus 1 times the other one, or 3n times the other one, gets us 5n. So I'm looking at it and saying, okay, what gets me close? I want to stay close to 5n. Well, 2n here, 2n times a negative 2n is only a negative 4n, but 3n times 3 is 9n. To add them together, we actually get a positive 5. So I kind of went with that with my first guess, but you might have to try a couple of them. Don't just try them all, that wastes a lot of time. Try to find an educated guess. Like, for example, I wouldn't do 6 times 6 as my first guess because that's 36. That pair I wouldn't really use. Same with the negative 6. Okay, so again, 2n times a positive 3. Flip it around. 2n minus 2. Whoopsie. 2n multiplied by the minus 2. That's a flip there. We have minus 2 here and a positive 3. That's the order. 2n times, so always check it. Make sure you're keeping everything straight. 2n times a negative 2 is a negative 4n. 3 times 3n is a positive 9n. Add them together, we get a positive 5n. So here's our final answer. 2n plus 3 times 3n minus 2. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. MinuteMathTutor.com